with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss be careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Right, Paris, St. Mary with there. Once more, you know, see what I'm going out the road door, out on the outside. Yeah, me just come here, never expect it. But I'm back again today. And weather. It's raining. I just got here. I'ma come meet up on it here. This I go full up the breadfruit them don't. Yeah. Yeah, and the banana them. Uncle Murphy, are you that?
You got the one I can't.
Yeah. No, thank you. You must see a little, but through the light over here, so I can't up yet. Yeah. Yeah. That round there, so. True, when you there, you that? Yeah, shoot dark, yeah. Round and back here. You soon see light in there, man. I just for the them finish up and make the electrician come connect up everything over that side there. So we are here, rain a fall, see them take out, you know, them are gonna make fever grass tea and crackers, and they have canned beef, cause we come on a different mission, but the man then can't work today, so we are making the best of it. But me just show you say back in the place again, and we bombarded it. We are bombarded inside. But we are work with it. Alright, Pari. No can't believe the sun at a town, so rain a fall a country. So even though the rain a fall, Murph.
Yes.
Yeah, move. Where you are going with you now?
I look out some corned beef and crackers.
Yeah, crackers that. And fever grass tea. I right in I rain here, you know. Thank God for Jesus, we can go. 2 yards me have now in a Murph.
2 yards.
Me have to buy grocery. Sorry. Me have to buy grocery for 2 yards. So guess what, me give you a look story right now off camera. Dad officially lose the work. Cause some of the little things them when finish up here, Dad never remember say remind me say they be finished. Cause me have to go grocery shopping for me yard at town, tissue, Clorox, all them kind of things, Febreze, all them nice things where you use. I have to be doing it 2 ways. Right, Uncle Murphy?
Right.
Right on. So at 2 yards me have here, so when me not telling no lie, things are going for me. When you have 2 yards, you know, Murphy, you know it goes a man, you know, when you have 2 yards.
Uncle Tay promise you demonstrate, so.
Yes.
Just everyone help.
Yeah. Well, me don't know. Me don't know, but
we want justice.
Justice for losing. You lose the work that me just tell you. You know what time me I tell you say you lose it. You finally lose it now, you know. So
We lose it, baby.
anybody want to put in the application, you know, can start. Them I got done me in the comment section to say that Dad has officially lost the job. So if you're out there and you feel like pay you off, mine you know. Pay you off, you have officially lost the job. So anybody out there we want put in them application. Yeah, Parry, we are come cut now. Uncle Murphy help me put back in plant. They really put them out to get some rain. Today is a fail day, Uncle Murphy. Okay, we not get nothing. We not get to do nothing more than just make. We come to do some other things, and I'll work. Man, I've worked different. Man, them we have sort out place there for go back up for the wall. Then couldn't work today, so we just have to just know. So we give God the glory and give Him thanks. How He run things every time. So Uncle Murphy, we did put them out for the Korean. I first get the Korean in Murphy.
He'll get the Korean water.
Every time we die, we now remember to put them out. What? And about 2 to 3 hours them I get now. Yeah, so field day Parry, me die. So Parry, we are on our way out because the weather is not holding up. Everything cancelled for today. Everything cancelled. What can I tell you something? It is such a nice feeling inside of the house up there, you know, in a dark country and rain a fall and your house not leaking and everything, you're under one covering. It really feels good because it's so cool And I understand say it a fall in the city though. We didn't leave it there. Me here say it fall other city. See as street light and a street light or them put the light there. Them put the light on the post. So I didn't know we don't know what going out on the main. So because it's such a failed day and we never get much activity done at home, we are gonna take you along with us on our way home. I don't know, I understand so the rain fall hard and we are gonna go through back arch and I'm just gonna take you along and show you. So you don't murmur and you don't nothing because God is always in control. He knows best. And I hold up now a little still, but it's like them say them kind of rain here in a Paris, a woman rain, miserable. This minute come down and the next minute it hold up the sun like it want to shine through, then it come down back. That's the kind of rain they call it woman rain. So I guess that's how ladies are according to them. We sometimes can't take much change. So we take time and go through. Yeah, some part because when we leave up at the house it's hard. So we are past the first fording here. You see it? So it take time, it let it fall and then take time and line up to overflow. But we can go through that one here, right? Yeah, show them this one. See it? You see it? This is the first little fording when I pass after me leave. See it? See that? Yeah? So you them take time and go and look from this and impossible. So we are go through with God. Father God. So next clip Paris. So we reach out a little further now. It's still overcast though, but a bit brighter. The rain is not far. It's still a dew. Yeah man, it's still dewing slightly. And as you can see, it's a real weather. You know, if you see somebody on the road, you're on here too. I was dozing off a bit. We're at Riversdale now. So I'm still late to see how the barge stay. Because I happened to drive around Skygoville the other day for the first. And it was so long. But we hope so, it don't look like the gorge impossible there.
No.
Yeah, but still, you can see how that's still up. By the end, not even get the breadfruit and banana. Until I left it up there. I left the weather up there. From I come this morning, it not all up. So me decide to me want to later catch me up there. So I continue to see what is happening. On my way back home, Paris Flat Bridge. So you see the water, so you know some real rain a fall. Yeah. So I kind of glad. My heart kind of come down little now because when you pass it so and you pass but you know you're out of the way of the water and so yeah. That's how it is. Rain. But we give God thanks because the weather has been really hot in a fiery. Really hot. So yeah man. So I'm catching up when we reach home. So Paris, I'm home and I can tell you my horse, anytime I go country and come at my Ali's horse. Dad said the change of climate. So me take care of that with something, some home remedy. But I can tell you that there's more rain in the city than we had in the country. I don't know why from the other day I get a little like I don't know, seems like either in Uncle Murphy car or something up at the house at St. Mary. And then I got red eye when I went up there the other day, but I took care of it. And then it scratched me again and same thing, but I'm gonna take care of it. Thanks for watching this little vlog. Wasn't anything too exciting, but that's just what happened today. So I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna be making some dinner. Gonna cool off. I'm not hot though. For the longest while, but let me tell you, nobody was really anticipating this weather. And even though it's raining so much, inside here is really hot. We just come and pull the door, really hot, but we give God the glory. I personally give him thanks because me can't deal with the heat. No, So I think this will be enough to cool it down for today. So far we went through St. Catherine, St. Mary, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew right now, and then you know what happened? It's just raining all through. So there was no sun today. So remember to give this video a like. Remember to make sure you're subscribed. Click the notification bell. And never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Bless.